I recently picked up this Svartpilen 401. Bike's been great, but I'm sick and tired of having to look at these stock signals and ugly rear tire hugger. But full fender eliminator kits are so overpriced, so I'm gonna make this thing look sweet for under 40 bucks. First up, LED strips for the rear, $15.50. LED pods for the front, $16.99. LED flasher relay, $9.52. Electrical tape, I don't know, but hopefully you have some. That comes to a whopping total of $42.01. Okay, under $43, not $40. Now you might be asking yourself, well, how are you gonna get rid of the rear without having a fender eliminator kit? Well, we should be able to relocate the license plate for free. First, we're taking off the rear seat, then getting to the tire hugger, disassembling it, and then taking apart the stock connectors so we can cut them off and use them later on. Okay guys, so stock rear tire huggers all off. We pulled these wires just back through here. Pulling it up through the bike here, I'm gonna have to find a way. I'll have to redo this because I'm gonna stick it up through here and then bring it all to the back. Electricians look away, but we're stripping the stock connectors so we can twist tie them to the new LED strips in the rear. So just to twist together, throw some electrical tape on them, and we're good to go. Then they can plug right into the bike. All right, so on the LED lights, you have the yellow and the black wire. Those go together to the brown wire on the stock connector. And then we have the red to black, and that's how we get it to work. All right, so we've still got a little bit of a wire mess here. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, but basically these signals are gonna come under through these holes. The Svartpilen, when you take off the rear carrier hoop, has these holes here. If you have the Vitpilen, it'll have little blocks here, so you'll just need to take those out. Probably gonna try and get the Vitpilen blocks to fill these in, but essentially we're just gonna use the 3M adhesive tape, stick it just like this. There's even a little line here that you can kind of feed the wire through, but we're gonna set it up just like this, I think. All right guys, so we've got them both mounted. They're pretty flush up under here, so it's coming right down through this hole. Left side works and right side works. I'm gonna show you how we mount the plate. Basically what we're gonna do is you're gonna drill out a hole so this can fit a little bit wider, but there's actually these bolts from the rear hoop that I should be able to screw this license plate right into, but we can adjust the bend and everything so you can still see these tail lights. Boom. License plate's on. Doesn't really block the signals, but we might adjust the location, but for now it should work just fine. Guys, just something to note, I think these are like the longest bolts ever. I've been unscrewing this for literally like the past 6 minutes straight, but don't be surprised if it takes a while to screw these off. Okay guys, so for the front with this Amazon light, it's going to be yellow to black and then black to brown. So again, yellow on the Amazon light to black on the adapter, black to brown on the adapter, and as you can see, this works. So we're gonna get taped up, cleaned up, put this all back together, and we should be good to go. And naturally, my camera died mid-install. But that didn't stop us from finishing the job. So last step was just taking off this top piece, putting in the flasher relay. It's super simple. You just pull this out, pop it on, but let me show you the bike in its completed form. Well guys, that will do it for the Svartpilen 401. Upgraded front turn signals, LED, and rear turn signals, LED strips. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Again, this was super easy to do, super easy to install, and it was less than 50 bucks. I'll leave links to everything down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.